Okay, so it's Sunday night, and we just found out that our refrigerator is actually at almost 62 degrees. So, once again, our GE refrigerator has pretty well been emptied out, and our old school refrigerator is back in our kitchen and storing all of our refrigerated shit. So let's try this again. Shauna, grab that other handle. Let's pull it out straight up. Pull it straight. Pull. Shove and pray. Found a way. Alright. Can you get behind there and unplug it? So we'll reach over.
Is it the white one?
No, it's the black one. It's the one on top. Unplug it. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Plug it back in. It goes right back in the same way you took it out, baby. Seriously?
It's getting the white one. How did you plug it in? Oh, wait a second.
I mean, you took it out. Surely you saw how the cord was.
Okay, it's what I need to do all this stuff.
Thinking. 57 degrees! So at 57, how long does it take for your food to go bad? I don't know, but I'm sure it's longer. Or not, it's not very long. Thanks.